For problems 1 through 9, write equivalent expressions by combining like terms, verify the equivalence of your expression and the given expression by evaluating each for the given values. What that means is you are going to combine like terms. Here I have a variable piece that can be combined with another variable piece. That gives me 8a, and the number piece cannot be combined with anything else. We are going to substitute a into the equation that we just found and into the original equation. Over here, 8 times 2 plus 6, and on this side, 3 times 2 plus 6 plus 5 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 6 more. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 6, and 5 times 2 is 10. 16 plus 6 is 22. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 10 is 22. So we can see that these are equivalent. You're probably going to need a lined piece of paper for this because there's not enough room on your page. Number 5. 8b plus 8 minus 4b. We can combine the b pieces together, and 8 minus 4 should give you 4b, and then we still have the number term. We are going to replace b with a 5. Eight times 5 is 40. 4 times 5 is 20. 40 plus 8 is 48. And 48 minus 20 is 28. With our equivalent expression, 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 plus 8 is 28. So they are equivalent to each other. If I have 5 C's, I take 4 of them away. That would leave me with 1 C, and then I add another C, gives me 2C. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. C gets replaced with negative 3. On the side with the simplified equation, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. On the left one, the original, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Negative 4 times negative 3 is a positive 12. And then we are adding negative 3. Negative 15 and positive 12 make negative 3. And negative 3 plus negative 3 makes negative 6. I can combine my variable pieces and my variable pieces and my number pieces with my number pieces. 3a plus 5a is 8a. 6 and negative 2 make 4. A is going to get swapped out with a 2. Three times 2 is 6. Copy down the 6. 5 times 2 is 10. Copy down that negative 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 minus 2 is 20. The simplified equation, 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. In problem 8, b and b are both variable terms, and these two are number terms. 8 minus 4 leaves you with 4b, and 8 and negative 3 gives you 5. B is getting replaced with a 5. Anytime you see a B, you replace it with a 5. Eight times 5 is 40. 4 times 5 is 20. 40 plus 8 is 48. 48 minus 20 is 28. 28 minus 3 is 25. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Number 9. 5c minus 4c plus c minus 3c. I have 5, I take 4 away. Now I have 1c. Then I add 1, gives me 2c, and then I take 3 away. If I have 2 and I take 3 of them away, I'm left with -1. All c's get replaced with -3. Five times -3 is -15. -4 times -3 is +12. -3 times -3 is +9. Remember, when they have the same sign, like a negative and a negative, and they're multiplied together, they create a positive result. -15 plus 12 is -3. -3 plus -3 is -6. -6 plus a +9 is a +3. This says